Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to uncover the hidden truth about how apple cider vinegar actually promotes weight loss. There's so much hype around this ancient tonic, but very few people really understand why it works, what happens inside your body when you take it, and how it helps you burn fat naturally without extreme dieting or exhausting workouts. Let's dive deep into what's really happening behind the scenes when you take apple cider vinegar the right way. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been around for centuries, used in traditional medicine for digestion, detoxification, and energy. But modern science has revealed that its main active compound, acetic acid, is responsible for most of its benefits. When you take apple cider vinegar, that acetic acid enters your system and starts changing the way your body uses food for fuel. It slows down the release of sugar from carbohydrates into your bloodstream, which helps prevent insulin spikes. And, as many of you know, insulin is the key fat-storing hormone. The higher your insulin levels, the harder it is to burn fat. By keeping insulin lower, apple cider vinegar naturally shifts your body into fat-burning mode. Another interesting thing that happens is that apple cider vinegar increases the activity of an enzyme called AMP, which is often referred to as the fat-burning switch in the body. AMP activates processes that break down fat for energy and suppresses those that create new fat. When you take apple cider vinegar, you're essentially helping your body flip that metabolic switch toward burning rather than storing fat. That's one of the main reasons people who take it consistently report feeling leaner, more energetic, and less bloated over time. Apple cider vinegar also has a profound effect on appetite control. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels and increases satiety, the feeling of fullness after eating. When your blood sugar is stable, your brain doesn't send you those intense cravings for sugary snacks or carbs. This means you naturally eat less without forcing yourself to diet. Studies have shown that people who consume apple cider vinegar before meals tend to eat fewer calories during the day. That's not because of willpower. It's because of the way ACV regulates hunger hormones like G, ghrelin, and leptin. Beyond metabolism and appetite, apple cider vinegar improves digestion in a very unique way. Most people today have low stomach acid due to stress, processed foods, and aging. Low stomach acid leads to indigestion, gas, bloating, and even poor nutrient absorption. Apple cider vinegar helps restore proper acidity in the stomach, allowing your digestive enzymes to work more efficiently. This means you can break down proteins better, absorb more minerals, and support a healthier gut environment. When your digestion improves, your metabolism improves too, because your body can extract and use nutrients more effectively. That's a subtle but powerful reason why many people experience flatter stomachs and less bloating after just a few weeks of using ACV. Another key benefit lies in how apple cider vinegar affects blood sugar regulation. If you've ever felt that mid-day crash or intense sugar craving after a carb-heavy meal, it's because your blood sugar spiked and then dropped rapidly. Apple cider vinegar smooths out that curve. It makes your muscles and liver more sensitive to insulin, so glucose is used more efficiently rather than being stored as fat. Over time, this improves insulin sensitivity, one of the biggest factors in long-term weight management. When your cells respond better to insulin, your body doesn't have to produce as much of it, which means less fat storage, fewer cravings, and steadier energy levels throughout the day. Let's also talk about the detoxification role of apple cider vinegar. The liver is your body's fat, burning, and detox center, and when it's overloaded, weight loss slows down. Apple cider vinegar supports liver function by helping the body clear out toxins and metabolize fats more efficiently. Its natural acids and enzymes assist in flushing out waste, supporting bile production, and improving nutrient processing. When your liver is clean and running smoothly, your metabolism can speed up, and fat can be burned more easily. Many people overlook the role of gut health in weight loss, but apple cider vinegar is a gentle prebiotic that supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in the intestines. A balanced gut microbiome helps with digestion, reduces inflammation, and regulates hormones that affect appetite and fat storage. Poor gut health is often linked to obesity, and improving it through natural means like apple cider vinegar can create a ripple effect: better digestion, improved mood, fewer cravings, and more stable energy. In terms of safety, it's important to remember that apple cider vinegar is highly acidic. You should always dilute it in water, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass before consuming. Drinking it straight can damage tooth enamel or irritate the throat. The best time to take it is before meals, especially before higher carb foods, to minimize the blood sugar spike and enhance digestion. Some people also take it before bed to help stabilize morning glucose levels. Consistency matters more than quantity. Small, regular doses are far more effective than large, occasional ones. When we look at apple cider vinegar from a performance standpoint, it's not just about fat loss. Many users report higher energy levels, clearer skin, better focus, and reduced bloating. These secondary benefits come from the improved metabolic and digestive efficiency that ACV promotes. Because it helps stabilize blood sugar, it prevents those post-meal energy crashes that make you feel sluggish and unmotivated. It's like a natural metabolic booster that works quietly in the background, optimizing how your body functions. There's also evidence that apple cider vinegar helps improve heart health by lowering triglycerides and supporting healthy cholesterol levels. The acetic acid helps reduce the formation of fat in the liver and promotes circulation. When combined with a healthy diet and exercise, these effects can contribute to better cardiovascular health and lower the risk of metabolic syndrome. From a practical perspective, apple cider vinegar is affordable and easy to include in your daily routine. Unlike expensive supplements or complex diets, this is a natural, time-tested remedy that costs just a few dollars a bottle. You can use it in multiple ways: diluted in water as a tonic, mixed into salad dressings, or even added to herbal teas. Some people also use it topically for skin health or as a natural disinfectant around the home. Its versatility makes it one of the most valuable wellness tools you can keep in your kitchen. One of the unique things about apple cider vinegar is that it doesn't rely on stimulating your metabolism artificially like caffeine or fat-burning pills do. Instead, it gently rebalances your body's internal systems, blood sugar, insulin, digestion, and gut health, so that weight loss happens naturally and sustainably. It's not about forcing your body to burn fat, it's about creating the right environment where fat loss becomes effortless. Now, if you're wondering why some people don't see results, it often comes down to how they use it. Drinking apple cider vinegar alone without adjusting diet or lifestyle won't magically melt fat. It works best when combined with low-carb or intermittent fasting approaches because both strategies target insulin levels. When you pair them, apple cider vinegar enhances the effects of fasting by reducing hunger and supporting fat metabolism. That's why many people on keto or intermittent fasting plans swear by it. It amplifies results without adding complexity. Another critical point is choosing the right type of apple cider vinegar. Always go for raw, unfiltered, organic vinegar with the mother, that cloudy substance you see floating inside the bottle. The mother contains beneficial bacteria and enzymes that add to the probiotic and digestive benefits. Filtered or pasteurized vinegar loses much of that natural potency, so it's worth choosing the unrefined kind even if it looks less pretty on the shelf. Over time, the small daily habit of taking apple cider vinegar can make a noticeable difference not just in your weight, but in how you feel overall. Many people describe better focus, improved mood, and fewer digestive issues. When your blood sugar is stable, your brain has a steady supply of fuel, and your mood becomes more balanced. That's one of the often overlooked benefits of ACV. It doesn't just transform your body, it supports your mental clarity and emotional balance as well. In the bigger picture, what makes apple cider vinegar so powerful is that it helps correct the underlying metabolic imbalances that cause weight gain in the first place. Instead of focusing on quick fixes or calorie restriction, it addresses the root causes: insulin resistance, poor digestion, sluggish liver function, and inflammation. When those systems begin to function properly again, your body naturally moves toward its healthy weight without struggle. It's a holistic, gentle, and sustainable approach to wellness. As you can see, the real reason apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss isn't some hidden chemical trick or shortcut. It's a combination of biochemical processes that improve your body's internal environment, making it easier for you to burn fat, stay full, and maintain steady energy. That's why consistency and proper usage are everything. 1 tablespoon here and there won't change much, but a disciplined daily habit can bring remarkable results over time. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar is not a miracle in a bottle, but it's one of the simplest and most effective natural tools you can use to support weight loss and metabolic health. It works by improving digestion, lowering blood sugar, balancing insulin, supporting liver function, and feeding your gut with beneficial microbes. When you take it the right way, combine it with nutrient-dense foods, and keep your lifestyle active, you're giving your body every reason to shed fat and feel better. It's an ancient remedy backed by modern science, and it continues to prove that nature often provides the best solutions to our modern health problems. If you're new to it, start small, half a tablespoon diluted in a glass of water once a day, then slowly increase to 1 or 2 tablespoons. Be consistent, be patient, and let your body adapt. Over time, you'll notice the difference not just on the scale, but in your energy, digestion, and overall sense of well-being. Apple cider vinegar isn't about quick results. It's about long-term transformation from the inside out.